Hi everyone! Here are the items we're using for our first DIY. Now I have this bling sheet here. I have some pink mirror tiles. We have a vase here. And we have this cute candle holder in black. So let's get started on today's DIY. Okay, we're going to start with our vase first. And we are going to add our bling sheet here, which I cut into strips, and it comes with a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to peel it off and add it to our vase. I'd like to say welcome to everyone, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video so you can come and see the 2 DIYs that I have to share with you today. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I had you, I was like, okay, I need you beside me. Girl, I need you beside me. Girl, I need you beside me. You beside me, you beside me, beside me, you beside me. When I had you, I was okay. Alright, now that that's all done, we're going to take some of our pink mirror tiles here and we are going to add them to our vase. Again, they come with the self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to place them going down our vase. Came and changed it all up, but now ain't nothing gonna come and change all up. Cause now it's a different love. I'ma love it better, love. I'ma love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me, you beside me, girl, I got you beside me. I'ma love you better now. Baby, let's celebrate now. Beside me, all my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through it. And now we have our little candle holder here. And I'm going to take some of the mirrored tiles and put it going around just the top part of our candle holder. Beside me, you beside me. And now we have our 2 pieces, and I'll be just using some glue and glue our 2 pieces together. And here is our finished look. And as easy as 1, 2, 3, we have a luxury on a budget DIY candle holder. I love how it turned out. And here's how it looks with a candle inside. Doesn't that look nice? Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Using items from the dollar store and more. Now for DIY number 2, I have some of this Glam sheet in black. We're using some of the clear mirror tiles, our little vase that we have here, and we have our bling gems that you know I'll be giving away soon in a giveaway, and another black candle holder. Alright, so we are going to start with our vase, and we have the black bling sheet here, and I've cut it into strips, and they have the self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to place them going down our vase. Now with those bling gems that I showed you, if you watched my other video, I will be having a giveaway at the end of the month, giving away some of these Glam gems. I love them and I know you love them too, so I'll be featuring them in my next giveaway. Because it's January and for the whole month I am celebrating my birthday. Yes, January is my month, so look out for that. Alright, so now we're going to add some of our mirror tiles going down the side of our little vase. Again, self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to apply them to the vase. And now we are going to add some of our bling gems going down the side. They do have a little self-adhesive on the back, but I'm adding some hot glue for some extra support. Now on this I'm only using the small gems, but they do come, as you see, with large and small gems in the package. And now we have our candle holder here in black. And I'll be using this nice little gem here that I got from Totally Dazzled. Just using some hot glue and adding it to our candle holder. Okay, here's our two pieces. And again, I'll be using some glue and gluing our two pieces together. Just like this. And here is our finished look. Our easy as 1, 2, 3 luxury on a budget home decor. I love how it turned out. I think it looks glam and nice. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our DIY number 2. And I'd like to thank you for coming on and seeing the 2 DIYs I had to share with you today. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's both DIYs. So that's all your girls got for you. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.